So how do you pick contacts on your Android? Let's talk about it. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So it depends on what exactly you mean by picking the contact, but if you, for example, mean selecting multiple of them, you should be able to find it in there in your contacts application. I'm using the one from the Samsung, right? But I have the ability to click on the three dots, tap on edit, and select multiple of them, and also click on all and select all of the contacts like this, right? So it would get the job done that way. If you mean picking the contacts as a default application, well, in that case, you might need to download some third-party contacts app to replace your built-in one, but then in your settings app, you will be able to find the apps section, and at the top there is the default apps, right? And you can pick from any of those which you want to change. Most likely you'll find the contacts application, but if not, you can literally just open it up like that, and it will ask you which you want to use as default. So that would be another way how you can do this. So most definitely share your opinions and thoughts below on what exactly you had in mind. I really hope that I could help you out with this. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.